How's it going, everyone? Destroyer 4x7 here, and I just wanted to show you some cool next level Disney shit. Now let's check this out. This is from the Star Wars Battle Drone, and I want to show you what Disney built into this.
Good.
So I'm just going to turn that on real quick, give it a second. You got the Emperor for you. Now we're going to turn this off, and you'll see at the side here they have a screwdriver in the shape of a lightsaber. Now with that, you're going to want to unscrew this and unscrew that. Okay, and now we're going to take the batteries out, and so now you can see there's no batteries in it. And
I have been waiting for you.
Do not keep the Emperor waiting. Insert 4 AA batteries into the battery compartment.
what? What just happened? There's no batteries in this. There's like built-in batteries that does that. That's pretty damn cool. I don't know, that's crazy if you ask me. Good one, Disney.